Welcome to our channel. Today we provide a step-by-step guide on replacing your 120-volt HSI igniter kit. This igniter is a crucial part of your heating system, responsible for igniting the gas that heats your home. Knowing how to replace it can help you avoid costly repair bills and keep your furnace running efficiently. First and foremost, safety is key. Before you begin any work, turn off the power supply to your furnace. This prevents any accidental electrical shocks and ensures a safe working environment. Once the power is off, locate the igniter. It's typically found near the burners or the gas valve. Carefully disconnect any wires connected to the old igniter, noting where each wire was attached to make reinstallation easier. Next, you'll need to remove the screws or clips that hold the igniter in place. Gently remove the old igniter, but be cautious here. Do not touch the ceramic part of the new igniter with your bare hands. The oils from your skin can damage the igniter and shorten its lifespan. Now take your new 120-volt HSI igniter kit and place it exactly where the old one was. Secure it with the screws or clips you removed earlier and reconnect the wires, ensuring each connection is tight and secure. Now it's time to test your work. Turn on your heating system and observe the igniter. If everything is installed correctly, the igniter should glow and the furnace should start operating normally. This glow indicates that the igniter is heating up properly to ignite the gas. And that's it. You've successfully replaced your 120-volt HSI igniter kit. Remember, regular maintenance and knowing how to perform basic repairs can extend the life of your heating system and save you money.